Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be applying the Naturium BHA liquid exfoliant 2%. So 4 ounces of this exfoliant will run you $20. It's a leave-on exfoliant with 2% salicylic acid and bioactive fruit acids. On the website, it does say it is formulated with encapsulated salicylic acid. I just love Naturium's description when they make their products. You know, the word encapsulated already has me sold. You guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and swatch this product. I don't know how we're gonna swatch it, but we're gonna try, honey. We're gonna try. Here we go. And oh, look, don't judge me. So here is the product. What do you guys think of the texture? Do you see stickiness? I don't feel stickiness. It feels really smooth. What do you, for liquid, it feels very smooth. You know, some salicylic acids or BHAs don't feel as smooth as this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it to Naturium. So it smells very like fruity. I wouldn't say fruity, but you could literally smell like the plant extracts. This is an unscented product, but it has, have you guys ever tried Sun and Park Beauty Water? If you have, it sort of has that scent, but the natural version of that scent. So it's like literally if you were like, I don't know, if you're into like Greek mythology and you like read those type of books and you imagine like them bathing their self in plant and fruit extracts, this literally would be that smell. Seriously. Or it just smells just like that. Like there's no chemical scent. It's just it's a very pleasant scent. It just smells like water, like a fruity, not a fruity water, but like a really plant water. It just doesn't smell bad. I'm so used to BHA smelling like horrific. So nice that this one has an unscented, pleasant scent compared to all the chemical ones we smelled on this channel. You know, I like to soak mine just a little bit now, please, because a lot of y'all come asking me, should I do what you do? This works for me because I have a big head. Please, when you're applying product, always look at the size of your head. You see this melon? It may not be for you because I have a big head. I have to apply just a little more product than you apply with your little petite head. Now see, when you try this, say, does my head look like Shundara's? If it doesn't look like mine, please use less product. If your head looks like mine and you want to know why your BHA isn't working, it may be because you're not using enough product. So please go by the size of your head, not what these people be telling you. You know, these people love to tell you use a teaspoon and then you wonder why the product's not working. Clearly because you got a little bigger of a head and you need to use a little more product. That's all I'm gonna say. If you decide not to use a cotton pad, that is up to you. I love using cotton pads with my exfoliants and toners because I love to see the dirt sweeping away from my skin, honey, and all the dead skin cells. When I first used this product, all the dead skin cells, honey, I love it. Because sometimes you clean your skin really, really well, but then you turn around and get a cotton pad and start sweeping gently, honey, and you be like, I cleaned my face. What is this? It could be dead skin cells, dirt, everything, honey. I'm just saying. Here is my skin. Let me turn the light down because y'all say I'm being, the light is too bright. Okay, so is that light is down? Is that the light is down? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Here's my chin. Oh my God, I'm just looking like, I'm just glowing. Come through, BHA, come through. I am gonna go ahead and let it set for 20 minutes so we can see, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, you guys, so it's been 20 minutes and we're gonna do a close-up so you guys can see what my skin looks like. Side note, hashtag no filter. Oh, you know, lying, talking about my skin 30 days from now look just like this, lying. And I'm gonna turn all the lights down, you know, see. Oh. Let me stop. Let me stop. Here's my skin. Here's my cheek. Here is my other cheek. What do you guys think? Here's my chin. What do you guys think? Oh, here's my forehead. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? We have a lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. First of all, I do want to say this. I love the fact that Naturium does tell you that you do not rinse this off. Start with application every other night and increase to daily use if tolerable, and follow with serums and moisturizers. Most brands don't tell you that, and sometimes it could get confusing when using BHAs. So I do like the fact that Naturium did that, because every time I do a review on a BHA, people don't know how to use it, and for Naturium to take the time to actually tell you guys how to use the BHA is really just a breath of fresh air. So shout out to you, Naturium, for, you know, helping people with telling them how to use this BHA, especially for beginners, is really important. So over the course of 4 weeks that I have been using this BHA, I do want to say this. It is a very gentle BHA. So if you're a person with sensitive skin, if you're a person who sort of doesn't like salicylic acid in your skincare routine, but you really do want to try a BHA, you will really enjoy this one. It's very gentle on the skin. There's no burning nor stinging, and because I do use a lot of skincare, especially moisturizers and cleansers, every time I use a BHA, which is twice a month, I personally will experience some sort of stinging, some sort of burning sensation. But the first time I used this BHA, I didn't experience it at all, and because I was using it consistent for 4 weeks, which means every night in my skincare routine I did use this BHA, my skin did get a bit of a tolerance for it. But I like the fact that when my skin did get a bit of a tolerance for this BHA, I was able to layer on more to feel like it was working, if that makes sense, without getting a sticky feeling, without having my other skincare peel, flake, or me getting up in the morning just looking like, I mean, you know, we look like whoosh in the morning, but you know, just looking like, girl, what is going on? So I love the fact that it just didn't destroy my skincare, and I was able to layer this really nicely. I love the fact that this BHA does pair nicely with a lot of skincare. So if you have like fragrance skincare, you know, serums that you like to apply that are heavily fragranced, you know, have a lot of other ingredients and extracts in it, this BHA will work nicely with them. It's just not picky. So the toner with the rose petals in it, the fragrance skincare, your serums, go ahead and keep them. This BHA is so gentle on the skin. You really don't have to go to a boring basic skincare routine. This one just pairs nicely with all your fabulous fun skincare. So I was sharing in my stories with you guys when I first used this, and I think it was the second or third day I had like an allergic reaction that was like really bad, and then I had windburn on my forehead that was just horrific. I was literally shedding skin, and this product really came through to exfoliate all that shedding skin. Sometimes it happens when you get a sunburn or a windburn. Over time it'll go away, but I personally like to use exfoliants like this to help regenerate my skin quicker and get rid of all the shedding skin, because I just don't want to walk around just peeling and flaking for no reason. And I like the fact that this exfoliant is way more gentle to do that with than any other exfoliant I've tried. It's a really gentle product, and it layers really nicely. And I would say about the 7th day of you using it, depending on how much product you use, you will notice reduction in your blackheads, you will notice your pores are going to be smaller, and you will notice your skin is going to be smooth, especially with this BHA on, and you wake up in the morning, you're like, oh, my skin is just looking really great. And it really is gentle. And this is one of the BHAs I will recommend using every day without an issue. Some BHAs you really can't be using every day, even though they recommend use it every day. I wouldn't recommend using them every day, but this one is really nice where you can use it every day. You don't have to worry about any burning, any tingling, and you don't have to worry about your skin becoming irritated from using it every day. It's just really gentle like that. It also doesn't give you that sort of greasy, sticky feeling. So if you try other BHAs that have given you a greasy, sticky feeling and have completely turned you off from using BHAs, this one doesn't do that. Out of all the BHAs I've tried, try on this channel. I really do enjoy how gentle this one is. It's just really nice. It really is, and it's something that could be worn every day at night. Well, they mention that on the back, so please read the directions. They do mention that. And when you wake up in the morning, your skin looks really great. If you are prone to redness or irritation of the skin, but you do want to try BHA, I think you will really enjoy this formula. With that being said, those are all my thoughts on the Naturium BHA Liquid Exfoliant 2%. I really did enjoy it for the 4 weeks that I did use it. I mean, this month, my skincare is getting spicy. Y'all got me using BHAs all day and all the time, honey. I haven't used this much BHA in my life since I was trying to get rid of my hyperpigmentation about a year or 2 years ago. So, you know, I'm just spicing up the skincare with y'all this month. Eventually, I'll be going back to my regular regimen of using BHAs twice a month. That's just what I personally like to do. But, you know, I'm having a little fun. I'm getting a little spicy this month. So, you know, come through, BHAs. I'm ready for you. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Have you tried Naturium's BHA? What do you think about it? Do you love it? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah!